Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with one of Canada's most popular vehicles, the Toyota Corolla. I got here a 2020 Corolla LE, 1.8 liter engine, 4-cylinder, redesigned this year. As you can see, it has a different grille and headlight system, gives it a little sportier look. Come over to the tires, 16-inch all-season tires with the Toyota hubcap. Folding mirrors with blind spot monitoring. Back seat, you can see the 60-40 split. I've got one side down so you can see how roomy it is. Of course, all the Corollas come with two sets of mat. The rubber winters are inside and the summers are in the trunk. Back here, we'll open the trunk with the key fob. As you can see, the backup camera right there, standard on all Corollas. The spacious Corolla, known for all that space. Second set of mats. And then under here, your spare and your tools. Let's take a look inside the car. All 2020 LE Corollas come with heated cloth seats. You have the big 7-inch screen where Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Head down to the column where you can see it has an electric parking brake where it automatically deploys when you put it into park. Over on the steering wheel, you can see some of the safety features. Right here we have your lane departure alert, where if the vehicle is getting too close to the center line, it will warn you. Radar cruise control right here, where you can set the distance between you and the car in front of you. Automatic headlights and high beams right here. And of course, standard pre-collision where it'll brake for you in an emergency. That's our 2020 Corolla LE. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at the dealership anytime. Thanks again and stay safe.